The second method of representation of a set is set builder form. So what is set builder form? In set builder form, all the elements of a set possess a single common property which is not possessed by any element outside the set. So whenever we will write a set in a set builder form, elements of the set will have a single common property, and we will write it using curly bracket and the sign of such that. So whenever we will write the set of vowel in English alphabet, we will write it as, inside the bracket we have to write X, then we have to give such that, then we have to write the property of X which is common for every element of the set. So what is the property of the set here? The property is X is a vowel in English alphabet. So from here we can say that the elements of the set are A, E, I, O, U. This is called roster form, and if we write the set in this way, then it is called a set builder form. In set builder form also we will use the curly bracket and the sign of colon, and we will read it as such that. Now here some examples are given. Here A is equal to, within bracket, X such that X is a natural number and 3 less than X less than 10 is read as the set of all X such that X is a natural number and X lies between 3 and 10. So whenever a set is written in set builder form, we will read it as the set of all X such that X is a natural number and X lies between 3 and 10. Hence, the elements of the set will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are the elements of the set. So in this way, we will write a set in set builder form and we will read it as like this. Now example 1 is given. Write the solution set of the equation x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0 in roster form. We have to write the set of the solution of this quadratic equation in roster form. So for that, first of all we have to find the solution of this equation. So the solution is 1 and minus 2. Now we have to write this solution in the form of a set and we have to represent it in roster form. So in roster form we will use the curly bracket and comma. So the solution set of the given equation can be written in roster form as within bracket 1 comma minus 2. Here the place does not matter. However we are writing the set does not matter. We can write it as minus 2 comma 1. Here they have written 1 comma minus 2, but we can also write minus 2 comma 1. The position does not matter. Example 2 is given. Write the set x such that x is a positive integer and x square is less than 40 in roster form. So first of all we have to write the elements of the set. We have to see what is the property of the x given. X is a positive integer and x square is less than 40. So the positive integer starts from 1. So 1 square is less than 40. So we can take the element 1, then 2 square is less than 40, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we take 7, then 7 square is equal to 49, which is greater than 40. So we cannot take 7. We have to take up to 6. So the elements of the set are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we have to write the set in the roster form, then we have to give this curly bracket. So this is the roster form. Example 3, write the set A is equal to, in roster form it is given 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 dot dot in set builder form. we have to write the set in set builder form. So whenever we will represent the set in set builder form, first of all we have to see what is the property of the elements given here. See, here it is 1, then 4, then 9, then 16, then 25. So from here we can say 1 square, then 2 square, then 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, then dot dot given. So from here we can say x is the square of a natural number. We can also write it as x such that x is equal to n square, where n belongs to capital N. This capital N means the set of natural number. So we can write in both these ways. Example 4 is given, write the set in set builder form. So here also we have to find the common property of the elements. So see, first one is given half, next one is given 2 by 3, then 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7. So in the solution it is written, we see that each member in the given set has the numerator 1 less than the denominator. So here the numerator is 1 less than the denominator. Also the numerator begins from 1. So the numerator begins from 1. Do not exceed 6 up to 6. Hence in set builder form the given set is x such that x is equal to n by n plus 1, where n is a natural number and 1 less than equal to n less than equal to 6. So now here we can put n is equal to 1. If we put n is equal to 1, we will get half. If we put n is equal to 2, we will get 2 by 3. In this way, whenever we will put n is equal to 6, we will get 6 by 7. That is why it is given here 1 less than equal to n less than equal to 6. Next, example 5 is match the following. So here it is given P, R, I and C, A, L. So it will be matching with D because X such that X is a letter of the word principal. Now here I want to say one thing. Whenever the set of the letters of a word is given, if the word contains suppose apple, A-P-P-L-E, we will write it in roster form as A, P, L, E. That means we will write P only once. Here in the word principal we have 2 I's and 2 P's, but in the form of roster form we will write P only once and I only once. So I will be matching with D, then 0. Now 0 will be matching with what? C. Point number C, x such that x is an integer and x plus 1 is equal to 1. Whenever it is given x plus 1 is equal to 1, the value of x is what? 0. So 2 will be matching with C. Next, question number C, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So we are left with A and B. So first one is x such that x is a positive integer. So here all are the positive integer and is a divisor of 18. Now what are the divisors of 18? Divisors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So here it is given. So 3 will be matching with A. So we are left with 4 and B. So 4 will be matching with B only. But see, in question number 4 it was given the elements are 3 and minus 3, and here point B is x such that x is an integer and x square minus 9 is equal to 0. Whenever x square minus 9 is equal to 0, that means what? X square is equal to 9. From here we can say x is equal to plus minus 3. So here it is given plus minus 3. So 4 will be matching with point B. One more important thing is that here we use this sign and we will read it as belongs to. and we use the sign colon and we will read it as such that. Now exercise 1.1, which of the following are sets justify your answer. So first of all, question number 1 is given the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So for me the elements of the set will be January, then June and July, and for you also the answer will be same, and for everyone the answer will be same, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with J. So the elements of this set is not changing person to person, it is well defined. So question number 1 is a set. Question number 2, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. We don't know who are most talented. For me someone may be talented, for you someone else may be talented. So it is not well defined. Question number 2 is not a set. Question number 3, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So we can't say who is the best cricket man and what is the team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So it is not well defined and question number 3 is not a set. Question number 4, the collection of all boys in your class. So it is a set because it is well defined. Question number 5, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. So it is also a set because it is well defined. We can write the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. So it will be like 1, 2, ... up to 99. Question number 6, a collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. So it is well defined and it is a set. Question number 7, the collection of all even integers. So the collection of all even integers is well defined, so it is a set. Question number 8 is given the collection of questions in this chapter. So it is well defined, so question number 8 is a set. Question number 9, a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. First of all, we don't know all the elements of the world. Second thing is, among them which are the most dangerous we cannot say. So it is not well defined. Question number 9 is not a set. Question number 2, here let A is a set is given and the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or does not belong to in the blank space. So question number 1 is 5. So 5 is the element of A. So here it will be belongs to. Question number 2, 8. 8 is not the element of A. So it will be does not belong to. 0 is not the element of A. So does not belong to. 4 is the element of A. So belongs to. 2 is the element of A. So belongs to. 10 is not the element of A. So does not belong to.